Hey everyone, today I'm going to share some tips and tricks on how to get free clothing from SHEIN. So stick around until the end to learn all the best strategies to score freebies and save on your favorite fashion finds. Let's get started. Let's start with one of the SHEIN's best kept secrets, the free trial program. Imagine getting your hands on trendy clothes without spending a dime, all in exchange for a simple product review. Sounds too good to be true? Not at all. Signing up is as easy as logging into your SHEIN account, heading over to the free trial center and browsing through a selection of the items waiting for you to try out. And once you find something you like, just click free trial, fill in your size and submit your application. And if you're lucky, SHEIN will send you an email or a push notification letting you know that you have been selected. And if you're ever wondering about the status of your application, you can easily check it under My Applications. Just remember, if your product status says approved but it does not arrive within 30 days, don't hesitate to contact SHEIN's customer service. If you're looking to up your game, keep a close eye on SHEIN's social media accounts. Every now and then, SHEIN hosts giveaways that are incredibly easy to enter. All you have to do is follow SHEIN, like their post, and share them with your followers. It is a simple way to win free clothes and even gift cards. And speaking of social media, have you ever thought about becoming a SHEIN influencer? If you have a growing social media presence, this could be a game changer. By joining SHEIN's influencer program, you not only receive free clothes but also paid for the content. So just fill out their online application or send a pitching email to their team. If they like what they see, you will get a response within a week or so. Now let's talk about saving money, something we all love, right? One of the easiest way to do is by installing a browser extension like SHEIN Coupon Finder or Honey. These extensions are your digital shopping assistant, automatically applying the best available discount codes at checkout. It is like having a personal shopper who's always on the lookout for the best deals. So you can add this extension to your Chrome, and this is going to apply discount at checkout. And did you know that you can earn SHEIN points just by reviewing the items you have purchased? Each review earns you 5 points, and if you include a photo or a detailed size information, you can rack up even more points, up to 17 per review. These points can be used toward future purchases, helping you save even more on your favorite styles. Now, another easy way to earn points is by simply checking in on the SHEIN app every day. It might seem small, just 1 point per check-in, but if you check in for 7 consecutive days, you can earn a bonus of 73 points. It is a great habit to get into, especially if you are a frequent SHEIN shopper. And here is something for those who love a good live event. Every Wednesday, SHEIN hosts SHEIN Live, where they offer exclusive freebies and free shipping deals. These live streams are a must-watch. If you want to snag some extra perks, be sure to turn on your notifications so you don't miss out. When it comes time to make a purchase, do not forget to snag your discount. Start by applying a reference code, then add a coupon on top of that for the biggest possible savings. New customers can get 15% off their first order. And if you're a student, you can score an additional 15% off by verifying your status on uni days. It's all about combining these offers to get the best deal. And of course, you should never skip the sales section. SHEIN updates their inventory daily, meaning there are always new deals to discover. From clothes to beauty products to home essentials, the sales section is where you will find some of the biggest discounts. Finally, here's a tip for those planning a bigger shopping spree. Consider purchasing an e-gift card. If you buy a digital gift card worth $200 or more, SHEIN will automatically take an extra percentage off your order. It is a simple way to save even more on a larger purchase. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.